Action.
Alright, you're welcome back to my channel, Rgblink. Don't forget, subscribe. Press the subscribe button if this is the first time you're seeing Rgblink channel. Subscribe. Meanwhile, today we have Rgblink mini streaming switcher. Rgblink streaming switcher. Wonderful switcher. Misa, if you want to call it that. It has 4 HDMI inputs and 1 output. Then you have internet ports and a USB port straight for your streaming, straight to your laptop for you to stream to YouTube or Facebook. This is wonderful and very portable. You have a 4 LCD preview screen here, and the switch 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the switching gear, knob for your menu. All right, we are putting it on today. Here is the power adapter. The lock. Very firm. So plug. Immediately you plug, you see it come on. See it come on here. Yeah, that's your 4 input screen for your preview for all the 4 inputs HDMI. All right, so we have a Sony camera here. This for your input 1. Go straight to input 1, and immediately, no qualm, you see it here. Let me wave the camera so you can see the movement. You can see the movement. You can see the movement. You can see the movement, right? So straight in here, you have the first port, second, third, the 4th port. The 5th port is output to your screen, a bigger screen for bigger monitors. And here is the power on. So here we have the switching gear. You can switch. You see the light switch up and down. So you can change and switch. Start blinking. You switch to 3 start blinking. You take 2, switch, 1 start blinking. Red means that it's on, standby. That's all. So, but on your other hand, you can USB straight to your laptop. It comes with its own USB. Very firm. This one straight to your laptop, and you start streaming. You don't need an additional capture card. You don't need a capture card for this. Just put it straight to your laptop. Your laptop will see it as a webcam, and you are live. That's the Misa. This is it, and that's it. It's on. It's working wonderfully well. And here you can use the knob to change different settings, which I can't go through today, but I'm just for the sake of you seeing it working, that's what we are doing today. You see the LCD monitor will change once you change input. It's as simple as that. 4 inputs, 1 output. And here you have the audio in and out. Audio in and out. The audio from your Misa can go in here. Your mic can go in here. As you can see, this is wonderful Misa. I love this Misa. The portability is wonderful with the heat sink under. This is wonderful. You can take this one anywhere in any live production that is not needing more than 4 cameras. If you're doing 3 cameras, if you are doing 2 cameras, if you're even doing 1 camera, it handles up to 4 cameras. This is wonderful. I loved it. I will be taking this out very soon for a shoot or a production that I'm going to do very soon for a live stream. This is wonderful. Everything works well, smooth. You can see the monitor, you can see everything clear. You don't need additional monitor. This can also, you can also push your preview to a bigger screen through this or through the HDMI. You can put it and you can see a full screen of what is going on here on your laptop. So this is wonderful, portable. More, I would say, because of the LCD screen, the advantage is huge because of just this LCD screen compared to A10 Blackmagic Mini Mixer. This one comes with a monitor. The A10 does not come with a monitor. This is wonderful. If you want more details on this, please subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.